Dear students, the next topic is torque experienced by an electric dipole in the uniform electric field. See, this is uniform electric field. Okay, if the dipole present in the uniform electric field, okay, that dipole makes an angle theta with the electric field. Okay, this is uniform electric field. Dipole is present here. This dipole creates an angle theta with respect to electric field. In this situation, how much torque is developed in between the dipole, that's we are going to calculate. Okay, here see this positive charge opposing electric field, because this lines from another positive charge, some another positive charge in the any different positions. So this positive charge opposing electric field, so the direction is, see, this is the direction. Okay, therefore the force we can written as F is equal to Q E vector. Okay, similarly here the negative charge attracts electric field, so we can given the force here F is equal to minus QE vector. So there is some twisting forces acting here. There is some twisting forces acting, that is called, you can represent torque. Tau is equal to R vector cross F vector. We might have studied in 11th standard this torque. The symbol tau vector equal to R vector cross F vector. Okay, here see this, I am substituting here. This is totally R. Okay, there will be two forces is here. One is repulsive force, another one is attractive force. So torque, the symbol tau vector equal to, I am writing OA vector modulus of OA vector minus QE vector modulus of QE vector sin theta. Actually this equation comes from previous steps. I will give you torque is equal to OA vector cross minus QE vector. See, this is OA, this is OA vector cross of the force. Okay, so this is the position vector, this is the force. So tau is equal to OA cross minus QE vector. Similarly we can write OB also. So this is for OA, for OB, tau is equal to OB cross QE vector. Okay, similarly by vector cross product we can write, so I am adding this tau, so OA vector cross minus QE vector plus OB vector cross QE vector. Okay, so now the vector cross product tau is equal to OA vector modulus of QE vector sin theta plus OB vector modulus of QE vector sin theta. Okay, so similarly I can write tau is equal to, what is OA here? C, OA equal to A, OB equal to B. So I can write OA equal to A QE sin theta. I am writing the magnitude only, plus A QE sin theta. This is for here and this is for here. So tau is equal to 2 A Q E sin theta. Okay, we already know electric dipole moment P vector equal to 2AQ. Got it? So I am writing here, so 2AQ, instead of 2AQ I am writing tau is equal to PE sin theta. This is only for magnitude. So I can write in vector form, tau vector is equal to P vector E vector sin theta. Simply we called as tau vector equal to P vector cross E vector. This is very important relation. Okay, so the magnitude, only the magnitude of torque, tau is equal to PE sin theta. Okay, the magnitude of torque is tau equal to PE sin theta, and the maximum angle theta equal to 90 degree. Okay, it is applicable only uniform electric field. This is very important. It is applicable only uniform electric field. Okay, if electric field is not uniform, the force experienced by positive charge as different from negative charge. In addition to torque, there will be net force acting on dipole. Okay, this torque tends to rotate the dipole. This torque tends to rotate the dipole and align with its electric field E. If P is aligned with E, the total torque on the dipole becomes 0. Okay, thank you students.